Oh my Lord. Oh, what's that? Yeah. Laptop's there. Look at the stacks and stacks. Got an iMac here. Two GS. Holy moly. There is a lot of stuff in this van. I think you can see the wheels tucked pretty hard. And look how close it is to the ground. It was full. There's the hitch, which I mean, not far from the ground at all. So most of this stuff we're going to go through, clean it up, fix it, and then it will be available at the Vintage Computer Festival Midwest, which should be September 2023. So my friend Ted and I will be there offering these machines for sale. So come see us and a bunch of other people. Usually there's some actual like famous YouTubers there as well. That won't be there. That's mine. This won't be there either. 550C. Look at that. Yeah, that's mine too. That is so cool. Yeah, all sorts of stuff will be up for adoption. Can't wait to actually start going through all this stuff and working on it too. That's going to be great.